Hello everyone, welcome to the Rubik channel. The previous video I showed you the part 1 how to make the daisy flower, the white cross. Today I'm going to show you how to make the white one, the whole white cross. Very easy. This is the daisy flower, and you can see here, you see green. So you turn into green, and then you flip two, or you flip out two. You do the same way. Orange with smart together, 1, 2. And then the blue one only turn 2. Then the red one, 1, 2. Here you got the white cross. And next video I'm going to show you how to make the lay one. Thank you for watching.